Stop by and take a look at the 2013 RX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, power passenger seat, overhead console. The Lexus RX offers a spacious interior with an extremely high level of quality. The RX is the perfect fit for those looking for fuel efficiency, a wide variety of safety and technology features, and that luxury feel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.